challenging, especially if it is done in a harsh or demeaning manner. Most critical parents are struggling with their anxieties that come out sideways and overwhelm their children. Critical comments can erode a child's self-esteem and sense of worth and can cause feelings of sadness, anger, or frustration. These sharply delivered rebukes can also lead to children to a decrease in motivation and a lack of confidence in their abilities. Constantly shielding a child from challenges and obstacles can prevent them from developing confidence and a sense of competence. While parents may want to do all they can to make sure their children do not suffer in life, they ironically stifle their kids by being too controlling. Overprotecting can also limit a child's opportunities to explore, learn, and make mistakes, which are all important for their growth and development. Moreover, overprotecting children can lead to feelings of anxiety and insecurity, as they may not feel prepared to face the world on their own. It can also create a sense of dependence and a lack of independence, which can be problematic as children transition into adulthood. Parents need to strike a balance between protecting their children and allowing them to take risks and face challenges, to help them develop into confident, self-sufficient individuals. Encouraging independence, fostering self-esteem, and teaching problem-solving skills can all help to mitigate the negative effects of overprotection. It's one thing to ask a child how they would feel if they were in your shoes or someone else's in a given situation. Too often, however, parents push this to the limit and try to make their children feel guilty because of their thoughts, feelings, or actions. Many parents tell me they are trying to teach life lessons, but instilling guilt negates whatever wisdom they have to offer. Parents who use guilt to control their children run the risk of alienating their children. You are using sarcasm if you say things you don't mean and imply the opposite of what you're saying through your tone of voice. The use of sarcasm hurts children because it feels shaming. Parents who are frustrated may end up speaking in these destructive, hurtful ways. Sadly, putting a child down through sarcasm creates an obstacle to trying to communicate effectively, and makes everything feel worse.